Hey Pokemon fans, welcome back to yet another video of my channel Poki's Creation. And in today's video, we are gonna review Pokemon Aim to be a Pokemon Master episode 2. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, so this is what I say an episode. So the episode starts with Ash and Pikachu going on the beach with 4 amazing new Pokemons. And the old buddies are Totodile, the guard Rowlet, Leavanny, and the MVP of this episode, Corphish. And not he is alone. We have a bromance between Corphish and Clawitcher, who randomly catches Pikachu's tail. From there we start a new bromance which is between Corphish and Clawitcher. Now after seeing the fighting spirit of Clawitcher, Ash was really impressed and tried to catch Clawitcher. But before he can catch it, we have the most OG nostalgic travel companion, who is Misty. Yes guys, Misty is finally back. What I love the best about this episode is the bond between Ash and Misty. There are really a lot of references from episode 1, this episode. And of course, there are a lot of your so-called The Boys meme in these episodes, which definitely I will upload later on the channel. Now coming back to the episode, it was later revealed by Misty that she was in love with Clawitcher. What was that love? It was love at first sight, which only happens in anime or of course in real world, but in TikTok world, and of course in movies. So after that, we saw a fishing competition between Ash and Misty, where we see Ash's new badge. It was a direct reference to Cylan, another OG companion who was traveling with Ash in Unova, which gives us a direct reference that in the next preview also we have seen that Brock and Cylan both are returning. And yes, Clawitcher solos both Ash and Misty alone. After that, the bromance for which we were waiting has been started. Not only that, we got a very good Pikachu moment also when Psyduck tries to hug Pikachu like Pikachu was coming to hug him, but no, Pikachu, that bastard, that instead of hugging Psyduck and saying that we have finally met after a long time, he hugged Misty. Whoever will win in the battle in between Ash and Misty, he will choose them as his own partner. So with that, Ash and Misty continues to battle, where Ash chooses his Corphish and Misty brought his Palpitoad. And of course, surprisingly at the end, Misty wins the battle and catches Clawitcher. At the end, Clawitcher and Corphish once again started fighting. It seems like that it really belongs to Ash, not Misty. At the end, giving to the reference of episode 2 of the original Pokemon series, Misty tries to follow Ash and same thing happens and Pikachu chooses Misty, so of course they both are going to be again in episode 3 along with Brock and Cylan. And yes, of course, I totally forgot, Latias is still following Ash, which means that she is gonna be a big surprise maybe till episode 11. I really hope that Ash catches her. Well, overall, it was a very good episode with a lot of strong emotions, nostalgia, strong OST moments, and of course filled with boys meme. This is what Ash really should be. Trust me, I have really seen Ash more personality from whole journeys than in this alone one single episode. And I'm really happy, but just yet sad that it's only 9 episodes are left and that is going to be the final episode for Ash. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys feel about the episodes and what is your opinion on the episodes. I will give it a solid 9 out of 10. And with that, let's meet in next episode. Bye bye.